So hello everyone, today we'll be discussing about dining philosopher problem in operating system. So basically we have already discussed read and write problem and producer consumer problem in operating system. So this is, you can say, one of the important problems that we face in operating systems. So let's just discuss. So let's just imagine one scenario. There are four people having dinner on a round table, a round center table. So basically they are talking, and then one of them is started to feel hungry, so he grabs a spoon. So basically for cutting something you need two spoons, right? So he grabs one, and he thinks of grabbing the another one as well, but at the same time he's thinking that might the other person will need it or not. So, and the same is happening with all of them. They all are thinking, should I grab one or should I not? If they don't grab, they won't be getting a chance. They'll be constantly stuck in a loop. And if they grab, might the other person will not get a chance. So there is some confusion, we can say, happening. We can say this situation is basically, the technical term is deadlock, where none of them is getting a chance. Both of them are stuck in a constant loop. I can give the very simple example of deadlock. I mean, imagine your long-term friend, like long-distance friend. You thought of calling him or her, and you are thinking that maybe he should call first, and the other person is thinking maybe you should call first. So there is a deadlock happening. None of you are calling each other. So that's the best example of deadlock. So basically, what's happened? Let's come to the round center table we were talking about. So basically, what's happening? If in center table, like if he grabs the spoon, the other might not get the chance. If he doesn't, he'll not get the chance forever. So basically what's happening, a deadlock is created. So to solve this problem, we can just fix the number of, limiting the number of philosopher. In technical term we can get number of processes who can attempt to pick the frog simultaneously. Like this will help, like at least one of the philosopher will always be available to eat. Like there will not be a much of a confusion if we limit the number of processes. So this will avoid the situation known as deadlock. I hope you understand this, and yeah, thank you.